Welcome back to Clark Star Culinary. Today we're going to make a beautiful sweet potato hash. Let's get started. We're going to peel and dice 2 sweet potatoes. And now we're going to dice half of an onion. You can use white onion or shallots if you have those. Perfectly fine. And I'm going to cut them up a little bit large because I don't want to lose them when they roast. So we're going to do kind of chunky pieces here. In our mixing bowl, we're going to add a tablespoon of ghee. You can also use any oil of your choice. And I'm going to melt this really quickly. I have the ghee melted, so now we're going to add the sweet potatoes and onion to the bowl. We're going to add in the rest of our ingredients. Make sure that you have your oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to add a half cup of walnuts, a third cup of brown sugar. I like how that came out. And we're also going to add about a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm just going to eyeball it. And just a little salt. All right, so let's get in there and massage all this in here. And we're going to pour this out on a baking sheet. Don't want to miss out on any of that brown sugar. And parchment paper would be a wonderful thing to use with this dish. However, I'm out of parchment paper, so we're just gonna go with this. Place in the oven for 1 hour, allow to cool, and then serve. So we're gonna make a salad. Since we've got this wonderful sweet potato hash, and I'm gonna put a little bit of the sweet potato hash on the salad. It's nice and roasted. All right. We're gonna do a little feta cheese. And add a little saltiness with some bacon. So I'm gonna go and have this salad here. Thank you all so much for watching Clark Star Culinary. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.